TGIF, my friends, and happy Friday. We have another huge retailer ramping up customer service support. So for those of you who don't mind customer service, this is for you. But real quickly, just a reminder, all job leads will be linked in the description below, so if you would like to apply, that is where you can find this page to submit your application. And if any of these job leads are helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That gives me direct feedback that these are actually being helpful to someone. And as always, please feel free to share my channel and share these videos. That helps me and helps us get all of our friends and family working from home, living their best, happiest, healthiest lives. But without further ado, the big company Sonoma, they sell like homeware stuff and all. They are hiring a customer service representative to work remote from home. Now this is seasonal, full-time. A lot of retail companies are going to be ramping up their seasonal support because they get you in August and September and get you trained so that you are ready to go starting October, November, December when the holiday season ramps up. Now this is only for select states, and the states are listed right here. I also have them in the description box below. But they are looking for customer support reps who truly care about creating a seamless experience for their customers. Agents are trained in taking calls to assist customers with anything from placing order to facilitating returns, locating projects, and scheduling deliveries. So your day-to-day job duties will be to solve the problem efficiently, take ownership, help the customer, inspire customer loyalty, listen carefully and emphasize our efforts, make sure that the customer understands you care. You'll be addressing customer questions and concerns regarding product and delivery information, providing product information like out-of-stock items, placing orders for the customer, helping the customer navigate the brand, and you'll also check inventory, process returns, issue replacements, and credits for damaged and effective merchandise. Now, as far as qualifications go, they do not require any college degree, just a high school diploma or GED, and only 1 to 2 years of experience in previous customer service, experience in a performance-based or metric environment, and strong ability to communicate both verbally and written, and capable data entry skills. Now, they do have paid training for 4 weeks, and you cannot miss a day of work during those 4-week paid training. Now, they have specifications of what you need for your internet and computer, because they make you provide your own equipment. That is one downside to this. They do not provide equipment for you. So if you are still interested in this job, they pay $15 an hour. On top of your $15 an hour, you can get monthly performance bonuses up to $500 additional pay a month. They also give you a 40% discount on most merchandise, so if you like the brand, you can furnish your home with it at a steep discount. They have, of course, paid training, and it says overtime, overtime, overtime. They will offer overtime so you can make as much money as you would like, and the opportunity to convert to a benefited status within 90 days. So your first 90 days do not come with any health benefits or anything like that. However, after 90 days, if you stick with them, you do have an opportunity for benefits. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.